Hi, and welcome to Wild About Math with Kellett. This is 5.NF.3, fractions as division. The thing to remember with fractions as division is that people are never the numerator, because the numerator is what you are dividing or splitting up, and you don't split up individual people. So people are never the numerator. Let's take a look at number one. A teacher has 10 packages of paper to split evenly into 3 piles. So we'll write our fraction here. 10 packages of paper are what are being split. That goes as the numerator. Into how many piles? We've got 3 piles. That is your denominator. That is the fraction as division. The fraction bar right here is another way of writing a divide sign. So you're saying 10 divided by 3, and you're writing it in the form of a fraction. 10 divided by 3, another way to write 10 divided by 3 is a fraction. 10 divided by 3, 10 thirds. Let's do this again. KFC or Kentucky Fried Chicken has 44 pounds of flour for 5 batches of chicken. So we know what we're splitting up. What are we sharing? We are sharing the 44 pounds of flour. So that's what we're going to put on top as the numerator. And 5 batches of chicken, that's going to be the denominator. So it's 44 divided by 5. Another way to write that would be 44 divided by 5. All right, here's where we get into the people. 9 team members ran 25 miles each. Now you know that the people, 9 team members, these are people, they cannot be the numerator, and they ran 25 miles each. So if you're not sure, you know that the 9 cannot be the numerator. It cannot go on top because it's talking about people there. So the 9 has to be the denominator. They ran 25 miles. What are we dividing up? We're dividing up the 25 miles that they ran. So another way to write that would be 25 divided by 9 to find out how many miles each of them ran apiece. So that bar right there is another way of writing divide. 25 divided by 9. Another one here. We have 4 artists. Artists are people. Painted a mural that was 10 feet long. So what's going to go on top? It can't be the 4. It has to be the 10 for the numerator and the 4 for the denominator. 10 feet long is what we're dividing up, divided by 4. Another way to write that would be 10 divided by 4. And the last one of these, you have 61 pieces of candy to share with yourself and 3 friends. Now, don't be tricked here. It's not just 3 friends, it's yourself plus 3 friends, which is 4 people. Now, 4 people cannot be the numerator because these are people. That has to be the denominator. So you're splitting up or sharing, dividing up 61 pieces of candy. That would be written like 61 divided by 4.